sounds oi. Mary Joyce has a tortoise. That boy has a nice voice. I put the oyster in the tin foil. Shane is a greedy little boy. That boy has a box full of coins. This blind child can feel all his toys. When did Roy join the tennis club? The oil stain spoiled my best jumper. This tortoise will bring the boy much joy. I will coil this clay and make a toy boat. I enjoy looking at the moon and the stars. Dave will employ his pal to repair the toilet. The storm will destroy the boats on the river. I annoy my mum when I spill oil on the floor. That greedy boy annoys me, so I will avoid him. That boy can make a funny noise with his voice.